Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Anyway, cream of tartar is tartaric acid, traditionally a byproduct of the wine industry. Baking powder, however, is a mixture of baking soda, starch and a mild acid, which gives off gas when the batter or dough is heated.
Let's help you make your mark.
What is cream of tartar used for? This ingredient is mostly used in baking. You'll see it called for most often in recipes calling for egg whites, cookie recipes, like snickerdoodles, and when you're making candy.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to our friends at My Recipes, you should combine 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar plus 1/4 teaspoon baking soda for every 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So if you need 2 teaspoons of baking powder, use a teaspoon of cream of tartar with a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Take our lead.
Normally, when cream of tartar is used in a cookie, it is used together with baking soda. The two of them combined work like double-acting baking powder. When substituting for cream of tartar, you must also substitute for the baking soda.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.